What if I told you that becoming wealthy isn't about making more money, but about changing 5 simple habits that take less than 1 minute each? I studied the daily routines of millionaires and found something shocking. They all do these same 5 micro habits every single day. Not complicated investment strategies or business plans, just 5 tiny actions that compound into massive wealth over time. The crazy part, most people know they should do these things, but they think that it's too small to matter. That's exactly why 99% of people stay broke while the 1% get richer. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 1-minute habits that separate wealthy people from everyone else. These aren't life-changing overnight, they're life-changing over time. And the best part, you can start all 5 of them today. Habit number 1, cancel subscriptions. Let's start with the habit that can instantly put money back in your pocket. Spending 1 minute canceling subscriptions you don't actively use. Here's what wealthy people understand that broke people don't. Small reoccurring charges are wealth killers. That $9.99 Netflix subscription you haven't used in 3 months, that's $120 a year. The gym membership you forgot about, that's $600 a year. The app subscriptions you signed up for and never canceled, that could be $300 to $500 a year. The average American has 12 active subscriptions and spends $273 per month on them. But when surveyed, people think they only spend $79 per month. That's a $194 monthly gap, over $2,300 a year. Wealthy people audit their subscriptions monthly. They set a calendar reminder, spend 1 minute going through their bank statements, and cancel anything they haven't used in the past 30 days. No exceptions, no, but I might use it later. If you haven't used it, it's gone. This isn't just about saving money, it's about developing a wealthy person's mindset. Wealthy people are intentional with every dollar. They don't let money leak out through forgotten subscriptions because they understand that every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested and compounded or saved. Habit number 2, eliminate unhealthy vices. The second habit is eliminating unhealthy vices. Gambling, drugs, and alcohol. This takes 1 minute to decide, but the financial impact lasts a lifetime. Let's start with the most obvious financial drain. The average American spends $1,200 per year on alcohol. That's a good chunk of change. Gambling is even worse. The average American loses $500 per year to gambling, but problem gamblers lose thousands. And here's the thing about gambling. It's designed for you to lose. The house always wins, which means your money always loses. A side note on gambling as well, if you do hit big and make hundreds of thousands from pure luck, you'll get taxed a large chunk of your winnings anyways. But here's the deeper reason wealthy people avoid these vices. They impair decision making. Your ability to make good decisions is your most valuable asset. Alcohol clouds your judgment. Gambling creates addiction patterns that spill over into other areas of your life. Drugs obviously destroy your cognitive function. Wealthy people are obsessed with optimization. They optimize their time, their energy, their focus, and their decision-making ability. The 1 minute habit is simple. Make the decision right now to eliminate these wealth destroyers from your life. Don't moderate, don't reduce, eliminate. Your future wealthy self will thank you. Habit number 3, unfollow bad influences. Habit number 3 takes 1 minute but changes your entire mindset. Unfollow bad financial influencers on social media. You know who I'm talking about, the people posting about their expensive cars, designer clothes, and luxury vacations while probably drowning in debt. The influencers promoting get-rich-quick schemes and crypto scams, the friends who constantly complain about being broke but never do anything to change their situation. Here's what wealthy people understand. You become who you are surrounded with, even digitally. If your social media feed is full of people promoting consumption, debt, and financial irresponsibility, that becomes your normal. Your brain starts thinking that's how everyone lives. But if you follow people who talk about investing, saving, building businesses, and creating wealth, that becomes your normal instead. You start seeing money differently because you're exposed to different perspectives. The 1 minute action. Go through your social media right now and unfollow anyone who promotes financial irresponsibility. Unfollow the luxury lifestyle accounts, unfollow the people who make you feel bad about your current financial situation, and unfollow anyone who's not adding to your financial education. Then, follow people who inspire you to build wealth. Follow investors, entrepreneurs, and financial educators. Follow people who are where you want to be financially, not people who are stuck where you are right now. The simple change in information diet will shift your mindset from consumption to creation, from spending to saving, from looking wealthy to becoming wealthy. Habit number 4, set a daily money goal. The 4th habit is setting a daily money goal, and this takes less than 1 minute every single morning, but transforms how you think about money all day long. Wealthy people break their goals down into daily actions because daily goals create daily awareness. Here's how it works. If you want to save $10,000 this year, that's $27.40 per day. Every morning morning, you spend 1 minute asking yourself, how will I save or earn an extra $27.40 today? Maybe you pack lunch instead of buying it. That's $12. Maybe you skip the coffee shop. That's $5. Maybe you sell something you don't need. That's $20. Maybe you do a small freelance task with a hobby you enjoy. That's $30. The magic isn't in the specific amount, it's in the daily awareness. When you have a daily money goal, you start seeing opportunities everywhere. You become more conscious of spending decisions, you look for ways to earn extra money, and you think about money as something you can control, not something that just happens to you, and that's really important. Wealthy people are constantly thinking about money, not obsessively, but strategically. They're always looking for ways to save more, earn more, or invest better. The daily money goal habit creates the same mindset. The 1 minute action, every morning write down your daily money goal and one specific action you'll take to achieve it. That's it. 1 minute that changes how you think about money for the entire day, and over time I think that'll compound into just better financial literacy in general. Which brings us to habit number 5, practice gratitude for what you own. The final habit might surprise you, spending 1 minute every day practicing gratitude for what you already own. This isn't just a feel-good advice, it's a wealth-building strategy. Here's the psychology. When you're grateful for what you have, you're less likely to buy things you don't need. When you appreciate your current possessions, you don't feel the constant urge to upgrade or acquire more. Most people are trapped in what psychologists call the hedonic treadmill. They buy something, feel good for a few days, then return to their baseline happiness and start wanting the next thing. This cycle keeps them broke because they're always chasing the next purchase. Wealthy people break this cycle through gratitude. They appreciate their current car instead of constantly wanting a newer one. They're grateful for their current home instead of always looking at a bigger house. They find satisfaction in what they have instead of always wanting more. The 1 minute habit. Every morning or evening, write down 3 things you own that you're grateful for. Your phone that connects you to the world, your bed that gives you comfortable sleep, your clothes that keep you warm, whatever it is, acknowledge it and appreciate it. This simple practice rewires your brain from scarcity to abundance, from wanting to appreciating, from consuming to conserving. And when you're not constantly buying things to fill an emotional void, you'll have more money to save and invest. 5 habits, 5 minutes total, but the difference between someone who does these consistently and someone who doesn't is the difference between wealth and poverty. The choice is yours, but the time to start is now. If you want to go deeper into the mindset that creates lasting wealth, watch the next video where I break down the 7 rules that wealthy people live by, the fundamental principles that separate the rich from everyone else. Click here and check it out. Peace out.